For eons, we have sought to understand the nature of time. It is the silent force that governs our lives, the invisible river that carries us through the endless landscape of existence. Time is the measure of our moments, the thread that ties past, present, and future into a seamless tapestry. And yet, in all of human history, one question has stirred our deepest yearnings. What if we could step outside of this relentless flow? What if we could travel through time itself? Time is both a gift and a burden. It shapes every life, every thought, every decision. It seems to move forward relentlessly, like a river flowing downstream, its current carrying us ever onward through the ephemeral present into the unknown future. And yet, at the edges of our understanding, there lies a tantalizing possibility. Time is not a straight line. It could, perhaps, be bent, folded, even navigated. Could we, one day, step through time as we step through space? For centuries, the greatest minds have pondered this question. Some have theorized that time travel could be possible if we could find a way to bend or warp space-time itself. But what does this mean? What does it take to alter the fabric of time, to create a passage between moments, a wormhole that allows us to travel across not just space, but across time itself? Physicist Albert Einstein's revolutionary theory of general relativity tells us that space and time are not separate entities, but woven together into a single, malleable fabric, space-time. This fabric is not static, but dynamic, able to bend, stretch, and curve in response to mass and energy. This curvature creates what we experience as gravity, the force that holds planets in orbit and guides the movements of stars. In the language of general relativity, the curvature of space-time is not just a mathematical abstraction. It has real, observable consequences. For instance, objects with great mass, like stars and black holes, create a deep well in the space-time fabric. This is why time moves differently near massive objects. The greater the mass, the greater the distortion. Near a black hole, time slows down to such an extent that, for an outside observer, it appears as if time itself comes to a halt. Wormholes are theoretical bridges between 2 points in space-time. Think of them as tunnels that connect distant parts of the universe, shortcuts through the vast stretches of space. These cosmic shortcuts were first predicted by Einstein and his colleague Nathan Rosen in 1935 in what became known as the Einstein-Rosen bridge. In simple terms, a wormhole is a throat connecting 2 mouths, each representing a different point in space-time. Imagine, if you will, that these tunnels could not only connect distant points in space, but also different points in time. Imagine the possibilities. Step through a wormhole, and you could emerge not just at a distant corner of the universe, but in a different era, perhaps the distant past, where you could witness the rise of ancient civilizations or the cataclysmic events that shaped the world as we know it. Or perhaps the far future, where you could glimpse a world shaped by the advancements and choices we make today. Time travel could allow us to not only explore the cosmos, but also to peer into the hidden pages of our own history, to witness the events that have shaped our present and perhaps even change our future. Yet, even as we entertain the possibilities of time travel through wormholes, we must also face the profound challenges that stand in our way. In theory, these wormholes could allow us to bypass the immense distances between stars and galaxies. But the very nature of these passages makes them inherently unstable. Like a taut rubber band stretched to its limits, a wormhole might collapse before we could ever enter it. The very forces at play in such a structure could destroy anything caught within it. unraveling not just matter, but the fabric of space-time itself. To keep a wormhole open long enough to pass through it, scientists theorize that we would need something extraordinary, exotic matter. This is a hypothetical form of matter that would have negative energy, counteracting the gravitational forces trying to collapse the wormhole. It's a concept that is not just abstract. It's essential for time travel to become a reality. Without exotic matter, a wormhole would close too quickly to allow any traveler to pass through. But such matter remains elusive. Despite the fact that it exists in the equations, we have never observed anything like it in nature. Could it exist? If so, where is it? And how could we harness its power? And yet, even if we could unlock the mysteries of wormholes and exotic matter, time travel brings with it a host of philosophical questions that have perplexed thinkers for centuries. What is time, really? Is it a rigid, unchanging constant that flows from one moment to the next? Or is it a flexible, malleable fabric that can be bent and shaped by the right conditions? What happens if we could step outside the confines of time? Would we become detached from the very rhythm of existence, seeing our lives not as a sequence of moments, but as a series of disconnected events, frozen in time, as if we were spectators rather than participants in our own story? Consider the implications. If time is not just a measure of change, but the very fabric that holds the universe together, what happens when we manipulate it? Could altering time lead to paradoxes, moments when cause and effect become tangled, where the past, present, and future bleed into each other in ways that defy logic? If we travel to the past, could we change the events that brought us to this very moment? Could we undo our existence? Or perhaps create an entirely different future? The idea of time travel through wormholes challenges not only the laws of physics, but our very understanding of existence itself. It compels us to ask, what is the nature of reality? Is time a straight line, an arrow that flies ever forward? Or is it a tangled web where every choice, every action, branches out into infinite possibilities? Even now, the possibility of traveling through time remains one of the most extraordinary frontiers of human discovery. The challenges are immense, but so too is the potential for exploration, for understanding. Every breakthrough brings us closer to the possibility of transcending the boundaries of time, of seeing the universe not just as it is, but as it could be. As we reach for the stars, perhaps one day we will unlock the doors of time itself. Until then, we continue to wonder, to dream, and to question. Could we one day step through a wormhole, not just across the universe, but through time? The journey, for now, remains one of exploration, of the mind, of the universe, and of the very fabric of reality. Time, that most elusive and profound of dimensions, continues to call us forward, urging us to seek answers to the greatest mystery of all. Who are we in the grand sweep of time? And so, the search for time travel and for the deeper truths of the universe goes on. What we know is only a beginning. What we have yet to understand may change everything.